how to do it. I'm back. So here's what I did. Change the code a little bit. So while human number is numeric equals false. So the first thing that happens is I type in 45 space and is numeric is false. If space is in the human guess, first I get rid of the spaces. So I take the human guess and I use this function called replace. Replace is something you can do with strings, and so I take my string and I take it again, human guess dot replace, and I'm replacing a blank space with no space. So I'm basically stripping out the space that I just put in. Now I say that the computer number equals the integer of the human guess, which is okay because I took out all the spaces, so it is going to be fine. And I'm going to, this is just so I know what's going on. I can get rid of this line here. And otherwise, I'm going to keep going with my normal code. Now I go down to line 36 and I take my human guess and I turn it into an integer of human guess, which is fine because human guess doesn't have any spaces in it anymore. And then human guess is not greater than computer number because I've set computer number to the integer of human guess. And at the very end, I go back to printing the computer number. So it does in fact print the computer number down here, and I think it's going to work. All right, I'll paste the entire code below in the document that I'm working on so that you can also see the code, but it pretty much works. So let's go ahead and play again with Snowy. Hey Snowy, do you want to play?
Oh, sure.
Okay, Snowy, why don't you go first? What's your guess?
My guess is 50. That's always smart.
Yep. Your guess is too high. No, Snowy, your guess is too high. It's actually 34, but I put in a space. 34. Congratulations, you guessed it. The computer number was 34, and you guessed it in 2 guesses. All right, Snowy, you owe me a pound of kibble.
Wait, what?
Yep. Do you want to play again?
Sure.
Okay, let's play again, Snowy. Why don't you guess this time?
Okay, I guess 75.
No, it's too low. It's bigger than 75, so I'm going to guess 87, and I put in this space. Oh yeah, I got it again, 87. I'm doing really good at this game, Snowy. You're not doing so well.
Oh.
All right, anyway, that's how you would do the cheat code for this game, and now you can make money off your parents as long as they don't actually look through the code. To look at line 31 through 33 is really where the cheat is taking place.